This is ABRSM Grade 3 Theory, question 5.3. Circle the correct key for each tonic triad. So if we look at the first example here, we're going to notice that we have 3 notes already. This is our tonic triad, and it's really, really important for us to know what this bottom note is. Now, the bottom note tells you whether it is a tonic triad in whichever key, either major or minor, and in this case we've got G. So we already know that it's not B minor and it's not D minor. It's either G major or it's G minor. Okay, so which one? So the first thing we're going to do is 1 to 8. We should be used to this by now, and we're going to write out, well, let's start with G major. So G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G major has F sharp, which we know from our circular fifths, and we are going to put that in. Okay, now all you have to do is to find the first, the third, and the fifth, and you can write it horizontally if you want to, because that makes more sense. So G, B, and D. That's what we're looking for. Now, if we go back and have a look, we do have a B and we do have a D. So it is in fact G major. Now, if it wasn't, we could then, and it didn't fit, we could then go and do the exact same process with G minor to see if G minor fits. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, so the next one we have is, we've got 3 notes. We've got D, F, and we've got A. Okay, so already I know it's not A minor and it's not B minor. It can't be, because the bottom note is the tonic. So the tonic is going to be D major or D minor. Okay, so let's do the same thing again. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to start off with D major again. So D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. Sometimes it's easier to start with the major to see whether or not that's correct. So D major we know has got 2 sharps, F sharp and C sharp. We're going to put those in. Again, you know these from your circular fifths. You can check on that every time you've got it written down, which you have done at the start of the exam, so you can go and check that. Okay, so let's have a look. D, F sharp, A. Okay, now we know that we don't have an F sharp up here, so it cannot be D major. So it is in fact D minor. Now you could, of course, write out your scale of D minor here, find its relative major, and then go and do the same process again. But we actually don't need to, because there wasn't really any other option. It had to be D minor. Okay, so let's go on and have a look at C. Okay, so C, we have got the bass clef, so take care here. We have got an A flat, we've got a C and an E flat. Okay, so I know that it is not E flat major. I know it's not C minor or B flat major, because it's got an A flat at the bottom. So actually, I don't even need to do anything with this question. It can't be any of the other options. It has to be A flat major. If I were to work it out though, I've got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A flat major has got B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. You already know this from your circular fifths. So let's put that in. Where's my B? B is there, E is there, A's both ends, and my D is there. And then I'll take the first, the third, and the fifth, and as you will see, it is an A flat, C, and an E flat. Okay, so let's go on to the next question, and the next question is, let's get these numbers sorted out again. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, right, let's have a look at this one. So this one, let's write everything out. So we have got a D, and we've got an F sharp, and we have got an A. Okay, so it cannot be B minor because it starts on a D. Do take care to make sure that you've got the right clef. Cannot be B because it starts on a D. It cannot be G because it starts on a D. So it can only be D major or D minor. And we've only got D major. So again, this one I don't need to do any more working out. But if I did D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, I know D major has got an F sharp and a C sharp. Again, for my circle of fifths, 1, 3, and 5 is D, F sharp, and A. So super easy for that one. Let's have a look at the last one. The last one here is going to be, well, again, we've got the bass clef, so make sure you take notice of that. Okay, we have a C sharp at the bottom, then we have an E, and then we have a G sharp. Okay, C sharp at the bottom, C sharp, which means it can't be this, can't be that, can't be that. Again, it's giving us the answer straight away, but we're just going to go through a bit of fact checking if we so desired. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and it's C sharp, so I know it's got C sharp at the bottom. Okay, so we're going to do C sharp minor. C sharp minor is relative to, go up 3 semitones, E major, which has 4 sharps, F, C, G, and D sharps. So F, C's we've already done, G, and D sharp. And we're going to find first, third, third, and there we've got it. C, E, and G flat. So absolutely is this one.